Well, hey guys, I guess y'all know this is like year 16 for me, and I always have a theme of the year, I guess. It's almost Christmas, you guys. There's like, how many days? Like 3 days now? And that makes it like 7 days to my birthday. Oh my god. But, I always have a theme for my years, and I'm not gonna tell you last year's theme for when I was 15. But I'll be 16 this year, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. But I guess this year's theme, of course, there's always the fun, live it up part of my themes, and then there's the real part of my theme of how I want to live that year out. And this year, I guess I'm gonna take my time and just literally figure out just completely who I am and just find myself, I guess. You know, it's the transition in between being a teenager and being a young adult. So I'm gonna take my time and do that this year. I'm gonna, you know, just find me, find who I really am, and find who I'm gonna become, and how to better myself into that. So yeah, that's my theme of the year, and I hope that all of you, like, I really think doing theme of the year was like a great transitional phase for everyone. Like, if you set a goal, sort of, it's kind of like a goal, not really a theme, but like a goal of the year on what to do. Kind of like your New Year's resolution, and it's funny because my birthday is on the 30th, so it's kind of like it would be my New Year's resolution, but it's kind of like a goal that I set to try to practice and do throughout the whole year. So this year is just about finding me and myself, and I hope that all of you can find a theme that's hopeful in your transition into regular life. Like, everyone's growing up, you know. I'm not the only one who's getting older. Everyone is at some point, but there's getting older and then there's aging. It's not the same. Because you can get older but never age, you know what I mean? You can turn 16, 17, 18, but then still act like you're 5. Aging is like maturing on with time, and, you know, more so not acting your age, but being the person who people would see you as, or who you accept yourself as at that age. So I hope this was really informative to all of you, to help you grow and mature in life. I love all of you, and I hope everyone has a great year. Thanks, you guys.